Islamic scripture on its own sound so absurd? Why does it sound like it was made up by quite primitive people? And please take the challenge. Thanks for your time. Oh, and stay away from Islam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin Sayyidina wa maulana Muhammad wa ala alihi wassahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Anda tentu pernah ataupun bahkan mungkin sering menjumpai adanya aksi pemurtadan. Oke. Untuk contohnya silahkan Anda tonton video berikut ini. Video yang diupload oleh salah satu saudara kita. Silahkan tonton.
Ngapain kesini? Tujuannya ngapain?
Untuk membaikkan banyak pendapat orang-orang, Pak.
Nggak, di sini udah jelas mayoritas Islam, mayoritas Muslim, ya, ngerti? Ngerti? Ini udah beberapa kali soalnya nih, ya, udah beberapa kali kesini, ya.
Apa-apa, Pak?
Nggak, sekarang jangan ke sana, langsung keluar aja, langsung keluar, ya. Ini nggak ada bagi-bagi kayak gini, nggak ada nih, ya. Udah paham kayak gini, ngerti? Udah cabut.
Makasih banyak ya, Pak.
Nggak usah pakai makasih. Cabut langsung.
Pemurtadan baik secara langsung ataupun sembunyi-sembunyi, baik berupa dengan menyebarkan selebaran dan sebagainya. Nah, dia di video ini dia melontarkan satu pertanyaan seputar dengan matahari. Dan hal ini memang ada dicantumkan dalam Al-Quran. Inilah kemudian yang dia jadikan sebagai senjata untuk menyerang kita, menyerang saudara-saudari kita, mencoba untuk melemahkan akidah.
Or at least we should know that. We know that we are on the Earth, that we have a moon, we have several more planets that we have seen so far. We are revolving around the sun. This sun is static in the solar system. We, the Earth, rotate around our own axis and also orbit this static sun, so we revolve around it. By rotating around our own axis and the sun appearing and disappearing from our sight, we observe what is called night and day, while by orbiting the sun, we see years pass by. From what we know, the sun also revolves around the galaxy, and that takes over 250 million years. There is a problem with all of this if you believe in Islam, however. Islamic sources clearly tell us that the sun rises from a place and goes to a place at sunset. The Quran always tells us that the sun travels, that it has a stopping point that it goes to. If we come to Muhammad, this becomes even clearer. Doubted, certainly authentic narration in which Muhammad tells one of his followers that the sun goes somewhere at night. It travels at night, at sunset, and prostrates itself beneath the throne of Allah. And in the morning, it asks for permission to rise again, and it gets this permission. But one day, it won't get this permission, and Allah will say, go back where you came from. And the sun will go back and rise from the west this time. But in this solar system, where we are revolving around the sun, where exactly does the sun go at night? I am at this point completely ignoring the Quran's description of the sun setting in a muddy spring, which is also...
Jadi pertanyaan seperti ini tak usah dilayani, tak ada gunanya, tak bermutu. Tujuan dia bertanya bukan untuk mencari sebuah kebenaran, tapi lebih condong kepada mengolok-olok. Oke, terima kasih atas waktunya menonton dan jangan lupa untuk like, subscribe, dan share.